Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus 13 seconds to explore a unique feature, the Plus Key. We'll walk you through how to customize and make the most out of this handy feature on your OnePlus 13 seconds. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the Plus Key. The Plus Key is a customizable physical button on the OnePlus 13 seconds that can be assigned various functions for quick access. It's designed to enhance your user experience by providing shortcuts to your favorite actions or apps. 2. Accessing Plus Key settings. Open the Settings app on your OnePlus 13 seconds. Navigate to buttons and gestures or a similar section. Exact location may vary based on Oxygeno's version. 3. Customizing the Plus Key. Tap on Customize Buttons or Plus Key Settings. Here, you can assign different actions to the Plus Key. Options may include launching specific apps like the camera or messaging apps, quick access to settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or flashlight, activating OnePlus features like Zen mode or gaming mode. 4. Setting double press and long press actions. Customize what happens when you double press or long press the Plus Key. For example, double pressing could launch a different app than a single press, or activate a specific function like taking a screenshot. 5. Using the Plus Key in everyday scenarios. Demonstrate practical uses of the Plus Key in daily life scenarios. Show how it can save time and streamline tasks with quick access to your preferred functions. Conclusion. And that's how. Wrap up by summarizing the benefits of customizing and using the Plus Key on the OnePlus 13 seconds. Encourage viewers to personalize their device settings to maximize efficiency and convenience. Thanks for watching.